my side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, what's up? This is your Techno. Today I will explain the learn how to create Power BI first data file step by step. Please subscribe my Techno channel. Please like, please share. Thanking you once again, your Techno. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today topic is how to create first file in Power BI. I will tell you, show you step by step. Please subscribe Techno 8481. First you install your Power BI and after logo appears your desktop and double click this one. The Microsoft Power BI first open introduction to welcome window is open. It is Power BI desktop. Get data, recent sources, first report, VPX open, other reports and get start. New updates available, Power BI blog and forum tutorials. Now I will get started. If your account is there, first anybody is downloaded and install this Power BI, the account is not there. That's why you cancel this one. This is the you can collect source so many ways, so many sources are there. Import to data from Excel, import to data from SQL, fast paste data into the blank table and try to same data set and another sources also there. You click this menu window is open, is the ribbon bar is there, the get data is there, Excel workbook, Power BI data set, data flow, data layers and SQL server, analyzing service, text, CSV, web, OData feed, bank queries, so many is there, templates also there, this many also there. After that you can, one file is there, I will show you. I select the import data from Excel. This is the sample data. I'll click. After that one pop-up window open. This sample data is the 3 sheets are there. 3 sheets are available. 1 sheet is there. I have only 1 sheet is there. I click this. The loaded. You can change any this country name or write product name, date. You can change, select a transfer data. You can select the transfer data. Otherwise, if you not required, you can close this one. This way. After upload this data, the one canvas is open, the bill usual data is there. You can select the filters visualization data, you click this data button. The amount, work shifted, country, date, product, salesperson. The total is 6 variations are there. You can first select this stock bar chart. You can, this stock bar is moving any place in your canvas. You can zoom also, you can zoom it and you can go back to the small size and enlarge also. You can fill the data as the persons is the salesperson is the X column and drag and drop this X added file. Salesperson is coming. After that, box shifting, this product box shifting is coming, this X plate, this data is coming this way. You observe this. This is the data is coming. This is the one of the chart is there. After that, you take another stock column chart. This is the stock column chart is there, salesperson, the stock column chart also available. After that you click here is the change this data variation. This Power BI has the so many features there. You can give the input of two charts. You can use many types of output. You can learn automatically. Each diagram charts is interactive between the communicate this. You can select the line chart. This is the line chart. You observe this. This is the line chart. You can give a country to XX and product is YX. It is coming this way. Observe this. Can observe this. So many charts are there. This is coming this way. Observe this. This variation is much more of interruption variation, the ups and down. If you want particular information, particular time, you want to select the particular date, you can select date also. The dates are given this. You observe this. What are the variation of this? After you click this date option is the date is the first 5 columns also there. Salesperson, country, date, year, quarter and monthly, days base. You can click also days base. You observe this. Monthly base and quarter base. This. You observe this. So many graphs are there. You observe, click this, observe this. The another chart is there. Go back. This way. You can add the another page. You can click this. So many pages are required. How many pages, how many are there? You can click also. You can not record. You can click this X. Delete this. You can delete this one. This way. I'm only one chart is there. That's why I used one page. This is the procedure of Power BI. You can visualization. You can change the color. Click here. You can change also color. Otherwise, you type the colors. The canvas wallpaper. You can change wallpaper also. Click this one is the. This is the coming this way. You select this color, and after that you change this color. Which color is required? I select background black color. Otherwise, you can select blue is mixing. That's why I change this color also. Violet. You observe this. You want change this color also. You can click here and click here. Type a color and type this search box colors. Otherwise, copy paste colors and add. Colors also there. After you save this, you can click your publish share and you can click the Microsoft Power BI desktop. You want to save changes? Yes, you can change. I will copy this folder, desktop 22 folder, my diagrams, each every got is saved. File name DR saved. You can attach your email also, no problem. This way you can save. You can use this create first file this way. The country, date, products You can use products. We can change this diagram so many ways. You observe this. Add to data field, product legend. You observe this, and country value. You observe this. What are the changes are coming this Power BI? You can add field details, boxes, and you can change also stock column chart also there. You observe this.